We have interesting new information about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, such as its price, its battery life, and more. A few reliable sites have given information on how much the whole Galaxy S25 lineup costs. The base S25 with 12GB RAM should cost at least $799, most likely for the 128GB model. The S25 Plus will cost $999, and the S25 Ultra will cost $1,299. It's still not clear whether the S25 Ultra will come with 16GB of RAM or just 12GB for the base model. There will definitely be a 16GB choice, but will Samsung save that for models with more storage? The story says that Samsung will let people who pre-order the Galaxy S25 series enjoy the same benefits as always. Some of these are more storage space for free, better trade-in values, and even a $50 credit just for being interested in the device. People can sign up for the $50 credit starting January 5th, but pre-orders won't start until right after the Unpacked event. If you're interested, the S25 series will come out on January 22nd. Well, the same source says that the S25 lineup doesn't bring about big changes. The only changes are more RAM, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and a better ultra-wide camera on the Ultra. Other than those, the specs are fairly stable. The cool part is the battery life though. The 5000 mAh battery in the S25 Ultra is the same as last year, which may not seem very impressive. The Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro and the OnePlus 13 are already on the market, and they run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Early tests have shown that these phones have much longer battery lives than last year's models. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is very power efficient, meaning it needs a lot less power to work better. Efficiency like this changes the game, and since the S25 Ultra has the same chip and Samsung's best optimizations, we can expect even better battery life gains. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.